We just got this 350 engine from Blueprint, and this is a 350 engine that's going into a 1986 Chevy 1500, and this is a stroker engine. According to Blueprint, this has 430 horsepower, and we got this engine here together with its parts. This engine, as you can see, it's a brand new stroker engine, and I will show you what we are replacing. This raggedy engine here. This is the engine that we are going to replace. So it's like night and day. What happened here is that he destroyed his bearings, and it made like a large play on the crank, and it just totally destroyed the block on this, and we don't want to take our chances anymore. And that is the truck. Perla, this is the truck that it's going into. We are currently repainting this. As you can see, because of its age, it's all rusted, and it even has a crack right in there. So we prepared this engine bay to get repainted with a blue color. I don't know if you guys can see the blue color in there. Yeah, it's blue. It's like dark blue. And we are currently repainting the whole truck, as you can see. So just watch, guys, for the finishing of this truck, and then the installation, the assembly of this engine. We're going to assemble this. It's a very beautiful engine. And this is the guy that's gonna put it together. Esta mecánico. Huh? Mecánico La Mayor. La Mayor. Huh? Okay, folks. This is Automod Racing. We're working on a 430 horsepower 350 engine. Thank you for watching.